tender, flavoursome, succulent. If these words don't get you drooling, then I got a special treat for you from the streets of Kerala. Let's prepare Kerala style chili lamb. For the chili lamb, first I'm going to take lamb which is boneless. It is the shoulder part of lamb which is tender and flavorful. First I'm going to add ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, salt, and last some lime juice. Mix it nicely. Lamb is a tough and strong flavor meat. It needs to be properly marinated and properly cooked to get its unique flavor. Mix it nicely and then let it rest for at least 5 minutes. The lamb is rested for 5 minutes. I'm going to take a cooker, switch on the gas, add oil. Next, I'm going to add the marinated lamb. I'm going to put some water in the marination bowl and pour the water into the cooker. I'm going to saute the lamb for at least 2 to 3 minutes, or at least till the time it starts getting brown. I've sauteed the lamb for a few minutes. Now I'm going to close the cooker with the lid and let it cook for at least 5 to 6 whistles. By the time the lamb is getting ready, let's start making the masala. Add coconut oil. Once the oil starts heating up, I'm going to add whole spices. First, green cardamom, black peppercorn, few pieces of cinnamon stick, cumin seeds, and next I'm going to add curry leaves. Once the curry leaf starts cracking, next I'm going to add ginger garlic paste, sliced onion, and saute till you get nice golden brown. As my onions are starting to get brown, now I'm going to add chopped tomato. With that, chopped red chili, chopped green chilies, and chili paste. Saute it nicely. For this lamb recipe, I've added 3 types of chilies. All cooked together will give a unique Kerala flavor to the dish. As my tomatoes start getting mushy, I'm going to add the masalas. First, I'm going to add red chili powder, coriander powder, roasted fennel seed powder, garam masala, cumin powder, black pepper powder, and last, some salt. Go a little easy with the salt because there's already salt in the mutton. Mix the masala and cook till the tomato get nice and mushy. That was the final whistle of the lamb, which means the lamb is ready and also my masala is ready. I'm going to take the lamb from the cooker, transfer it to the masala and saute it for at least few minutes. So guys, our lamb is ready. Let's start plating. I've already organized a nice salad. With that, I'm going to place my lamb. Garnish it with fresh coriander. And our Kerala style lamb chili is now ready. So guys, I hope you enjoyed me making this spicy and flavorful chili lamb. You can enjoy this lamb with nice steamed rice and idiyappam. Do try making this at home and do let me know how it turned out. This is your chef signing off. Take care and goodbye.